When I first got my Presta e-bike, I didn't know how to air up the tires because all my e-bikes previous to this had regular valves on it, but this one had a Presta valve. So in this video, I just wanted to show you how to air up the tires if you have a Presta valve. And don't worry, I didn't even have to run out and grab an adapter for my pump, but just with the nozzle here, you can interchange it to be able to pump up your tire. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is change out the end of your pump. You basically can just untwist the end of it like this, pop this little lever on it, and then this rubber gasket right here, you're gonna wanna pull that out. Oh, now this little piece pulled out with it, sometimes it'll still be stuck in the bottom of this. Mine just pulled out with it together, but it might be in here. What you're gonna wanna do is turn this piece around so that this little end goes now into this. And then same thing with your rubber gasket. You see how it has a end like this and an open end like this. You're gonna wanna take the small end and have that side be the side sticking out. And then what you're gonna wanna do is tighten this back down. Come on, like so. Now you're good to go. You can add pressure to your tire. From here, what you're gonna wanna do next is take the cap off of your valve. And then you're gonna wanna loosen up the screw that's on the end of this. And now you can notice that if you put pressure on it, it's gonna release some air. That means you're good to go to put your pump onto the valve. Make sure it's straight on there. And then you're gonna wanna clamp it down. And then you can air it up. Easy peasy. Voila. All I have to do is tighten this screw back down now and put the cap back on if I remember where I put it. And there it is. That's how you put air in a Presta valve. I didn't bring my tire gauge, so I have no idea how much air I'm putting in this right now. So I should maybe go check that. But this feels like good.